guys, we're in the auction. We're gonna see if we can get on stage.
25, 50, and now 29, 50, 75, 50, 6-liter Duramax engine with 500 horsepower, absolutely beautiful H1 Alpha Custom Hummer. Oh, look here now. Quarterback here, 210. This is a
You see just how busy it is here. We're going to check out the Supercar exhibit. Hopefully there's some cars there I've never ever seen. I can't wait. As soon as you walk in, oh my gosh, a 918. Holy crap, what? Donald Trump specially ordered Lamborghini Diablo, just sold at auction for $1 million. This thing, the only Diablo ever made in Le Mans blue, is just stunning. Guys, this place has been so much fun. Look at this Veyron. This thing is insane.
Yes, of course. So this is obviously a 2014 key. If you see the new ones, they're obviously even sexier than this. But kind of cool that it was a red that originally probably would have matched very similar to the color of the car. Yeah. And then when you open it, you see that they went so far as to make sure that the inner door panels were all done, red stitching, etc. Climb in and sit in the driver's seat. You sure? Very sure. Come on, Cedric, get in. Is it nice and comfy?
Oh my gosh.
Are you driving it home? I don't think the owner would sell it for you. Something like that.
Alright, see you guys. This is so sick, dude.
Let's go one step further. Put the key in the ignition. Turn it on.
Hi. Are you sitting in a Bugatti?
Dude, that is just insane. I just started a Bugatti.
Before I get in trouble for the emissions. Nope, turn the key. There you go.
Dude, you're a legend.
I am a legend.
You are a legend.
That is crazy. Right?
This is a really good day. Ice cream, cars. Look at this. Lamborghini owner.
See a real OG Lamborghini?
Yes, sir.
This is where we came from, boys and girls.
A Lamborghini tractor sold at auction for $25,000. And if you look here, it has an oil leak, just like his Lamborghini. It's just been a generational thing.
I don't know why, but I'm like gonna cry.
Oh my gosh, why are you gonna cry?
Because
And I bet not only does it leak oil like the Gallardo, it probably burns oil like the Gallardo. So, you know, we're just staying true to our roots. That's how we do it. Of course.
All right, guys, it's been over a decade and a half since this car has come out, and I've never seen one in person. This is a big day for me. And there's two of them. Lexus LFA. Oh my gosh, one of my all-time favorite cars. deception.
Little film deception going on here.
Successful Arizona trip. The cars were beautiful. I started a Bugatti. I saw an LFA for the first time. Donald Trump's Lamborghini. The list goes on. This was amazing. Noah was a massive part of organizing this, so thank you very much. That was incredible. That's pretty much it. If you guys want to see more fun cars coming in the future, subscribe so you don't miss that. Drop a like on the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.